birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy.
Aktres na si Sheryl Cruz emosyonal matapos maghanda ng isang dinner birthday celebration para sa kanya ang kanyang mga malalapit na mga kaibigan. Nito nga lamang nakaraang April 5 ay masayang nag-celebrate ng kanyang ika-52nd birthday ang batikang aktres na si Sheryl Cruz. Isang dinner birthday celebration ang naganap sa Jerry's Grill Tomas Morato kung saan ay nag-organisa ang kanyang mga malalapit na kaibigan ng surprise para sa kanya. Ani pa ni Sheryl Cruz ay akala niya nga umano ay isang simpleng dinner lamang ang kanilang pagsasaluhan kaya naman hindi niya napigilan ang maging emosyonal dahil ang salo-salo pala na ito ay inihanda para sa kanya ng mga kaibigan. Nag-uumapaw din umano sa saya ang kanyang puso dahil talagang naramdaman niya ang pagmamahal ng mga ito sa kanya. Mula naman sa Instagram account ni Sheryl Cruz ay nagbahagi nga ito ng mga larawan at iilang video highlights mula sa kanyang kaarawan kung saan ay makikita na napuno nga ng kasiyahan, tawanan at masasayang kwentuhan ang kanyang dinner birthday celebration. Kalakip naman ang naturang post ay narito ang naging buong caption ni Sheryl Cruz. Aniya, I walked into what I thought was a simple dinner and ended up being completely surprised. Thank you, Nicole and my dear friends, for this beautiful birthday dinner. From the cake and thoughtful gifts to your time and presence, everything meant so much to me. I truly felt loved tonight, grateful for each one of you and for moments like this that I'll always carry with me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Wish mo na ako.
Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Thank you. Thank you. To everyone celebrating today, happy blessed birthday to us. May our hearts be full, our faith even stronger, and our days ahead filled with purpose, love, and unexpected blessings. To everyone who remembered and sent their love, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your kind words, prayers, and presence mean more than we know. Here's to another year of growth, grace, and beautiful new beginnings. And happy Easter!